In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Airbnb gift card to pay for stays. Whether you've received a gift card as a present or you've decided to get one for yourself, this tutorial will walk you through applying it to your Airbnb bookings, ensuring you get the most out of your gift. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Airbnb's official website. Once there, you'll need to log in. Look for the login option at the top right of the homepage and click on it. Enter your email address and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one, but for our purposes today, we'll assume you're ready to log in with an existing account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile, which is typically represented by your profile picture or an icon at the top of the page. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to various account settings. From the menu, select Account Settings. This takes you to a new page where you can manage many aspects of your Airbnb account. Now find and click on the Payments and Payouts section. This is where you manage how you pay for bookings and how credits are applied to your stays. In this section, scroll down until you find Airbnb Gift Credit. This is where you can see any gift card balance you currently have, but we'll focus on redeeming a new one. Click on the option labeled Redeem a Gift Card. This will prompt a box where you'll need to enter the gift card code. Take a moment to ensure you input the code as it's shown on the card. It's crucial to input the code correctly to avoid any issues with redeeming your card. Once you've entered the code, click on the Redeem button. Your gift card balance should now be added to your Airbnb gift credit, which means it's ready to use. It's now automatically applied to your next booking, so there's no further action required on your end regarding the credit. Now let's plan your next getaway. Go back to the Airbnb homepage and search for where you want to stay. Enter the destination, select your dates, and when you find a place you like, click Reserve. Finally, when you proceed to the checkout page, you'll see that your recently added gift card balance automatically appears and is applied to your booking. This way, your stay is either partially or fully covered depending on the gift card amount and the total cost of your reservation. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed and applied your Airbnb gift card to book a stay. Enjoy the ease and flexibility that comes with using a gift card and have a fantastic stay wherever your travels take you.